So we couldn't find a better set of doors, so now we got to reskin the ones that we have.
Not the ones, just this side. The other side's a pretty good door. Yeah, we looked on eBay, we looked on Marketplace, we looked at some Corvair guys, Corvair Ranch, Corvair Mike, and whoever, and nobody's got a door that's any better than what we got, so might as well. Why buy a door, get it here, and have to do all this kind of work to it anyway. So, let's make a spoon. Do it the hard way. I got this crease in here, and there's curving this way too. This car luckily doesn't have that much. If you look at the ends, it's got a rock.
They're pillowed a little bit.
So it's got a pillow to it. Every car does. We don't want the pillow this way as much because we want it to look flat, even though it's not. But we have to put this round shape in here. The hard part is putting the body line in and then getting all that shape. A lot of doors and stuff have body lines up here and down here, but not in the middle. This is a Corvair, like a weirdo car, so it's got a fucking body line right through the middle. We'll deal with it. We'll make it happen. They made it with a big stamp, so we'll make it by hand.
They can do it, we can do it, right?
So what I'm trying to get at is when they look flat and it's not flat, it's really hard to duplicate because it's so much easier to put a lot of shape in metal versus a slight shape in metal. So it'd be really easy to put too much shape into this panel. Once I got too much shape into it, it's what they call pillows. The door bulges out and it just ain't gonna look right. So that's what makes doing doors and roof skins very hard. The roof skin, very slight on all directions. So if you put too much in it, it looks like a cone head, and you can see it right off the bat. So it's very slight. So just a few passes in the English wheel, and you think, it's close, and you go a couple more, then it's too much, and you're done. You got to start over. So that's what's making me nervous. Plus having that in there. I have to work around all of this. Maybe this will be my savior and not let me shape it too much. I don't know. We'll find out. Shorter as it goes back.
You just asked me if I ever made a door skin. You said me either.
I ain't never made no door skin.
Guess we're just gonna have to learn together.
We're gonna be learning some shit today. We're gonna be learning some shit today.
This will be the door edge that gets wrapped around the frame,
Yeah.
the body of it.
Yep.
So you're gonna try and make this in all one piece?
Yeah.
would have thought it'd be like the fenders where you did the top side and the bottom side and just welded them together.
I mean, like, the fenders were like that because of the radius, arch, and different things going on. This is just a one-piece thing. You know what I'm saying? If there wasn't a radius, arch, and stuff, and the fenders are so big that I could make them in one piece. But there's a lot of different steps and angles and everything going on the fenders to where it's just not efficient to try and do it in one piece. Where a door skin's pretty basic and plain. Just do it in one piece, bite to one piece versus putting the seam across it and biting that seam with hammer and dollying and having that seam move. So doing a door skin, do it in one piece. Do a quarter panel, wide body quarter panel, do it in multiple pieces. But if you can, try to make everything in one piece. But if there's steps and nicks and crannies, and just don't even waste your time with the one piece. If there's not a lot of that, I got a bead roll line and a little bit of a faint brake line. The rest is a little bit of English wheeling and shaping. Should be all right. I mean, I say that, but we'll probably make this 8 times.
Get this from?
Yeah, he pulled through. It struck out. Needs a little more.
Little more.
I mean, it's fitting right on there right now. I'm afraid if I tighten it, I know, I'll put too much curve in it. Let's do some whacking. Needs to be a little tighter to squeeze that shit out. I know. That's where I was working too. It almost feels like a low ripple. Try to hit that a couple times.
You gotta warn me.
Like almost.
I'm in a flow and then he just stops short.
It's like doing a seesaw.
Logo. Alright, we'll go back long.
Alright.
Done that? Oh, it's bead roll. Okay.
Bead roll, my friend. Bead roll.
Yeah. Just trying to feel for high spots.
Yeah, it's actually a low spot. I think I got a low spot right here. It's like
Sunk in.
my heart wants to get it out. My gut's telling me.
It cause more problems.
It'll go the opposite way, and then I'll have a big noggin here, or the whole door panel get too much pillow. But pretty stubborn when it comes to leaving shit alone.
Always gotta be a perfectionist.
Well, that's how you raise your own bar, right?
Yep.
You start settling and get used to settling. Get settled. See anything?
I was just like, I don't know. I guess it's just a light. I don't think you should go a lot more.
Huh?
I wouldn't go more. You probably should check it.
I don't know. That's nice. You go there. That right here is a high rib.
Yeah.
Go this way. It's like a. It's so faint. There's like a little high right there.
Yeah.
Definitely can't go on here.
Yeah. Some more?
Yeah, you see the whoop-de-doos in it. I think we're just so light that it's just pushing it in a whoop-de-doo instead of wrenching it like it wants. See the whoop-de-doos in it now?
Yeah.
Still there. It's just high right there.
You don't think we can run a flat wheel right there, do you? Gonna put
No,
lines in
the
it.
flat wheels will put 2 creases. That's probably what that's from.
Thanks for watching. If you want to see more build videos like this, help us out by liking, commenting, and subscribing to our channel. And it's a little thing to do, but don't forget to turn on those notifications. If you want to buy merch, go to store.classiccarstudio.com. See you next time.